Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about topic sentences. What's a topic, though? A topic is the subject of the text. It is what the text is mostly about. So a topic sentence is the very first sentence in your text, and it is going to tell the reader what your text is going to be about. There are so many ways that you could do it. You can ask a question. You can use a sound. You can have two people talking. You could talk about the setting. You can use words such as one day or one time to talk about where you were, or you can use my favorite when talking about an informational text called Work Up All About. And this way specifically tells your reader what you're going to teach them and what you're going to tell them. For example, today I want to teach you all about the Arctic fox, or I am going to tell you all about my spring break. I want to tell you about fall. Do you see why that's my favorite? Because it makes the main topic so easy to see. So let's go ahead and let's read what's the topic. Now, do you think you could do it? I bet you can. Now remember, the topic sentence is the very first sentence in the writing, and it needs to be the biggest clue to let your reader know what the main topic is. Okay, let's do it. It's Rachel's first day of first grade. Rachel woke up earlier than her alarm, quickly got dressed, and ate cereal for breakfast. When the bus showed up, she ran out the door full of excitement. Rachel made a lot of new friends on her first day of school and loves her teacher. She can't wait to go back tomorrow. What is the main topic of this text? Well, remember that the very first sentence is the topic sentence, so that should give me a clue. Let's go back and read our first sentence. It's Rachel's first day of first grade. Oh, so I bet the main topic is going to be about first grade. Well, let's go back and let's look at some key details and make sure. She set her alarm, she got dressed, she ate cereal, she went on the bus, she made lots of new friends. Yep, you got it. This whole passage was about Rachel's first day of school, so that was an awesome topic sentence. Let's go ahead and let's practice this ourselves. So we have been reading about kids around the world and how they go to school. So this is a passage about Afghanistan and how students go to school in Afghanistan. Let's go ahead and read it together. And then we're going to go ahead and write a topic sentence for this passage. Afghanistan students go to school differently than students in the United States. Students in the United States oftentimes sit in desks or at a table. In Afghanistan, students sit on rugs. In the United States, students start their first day of school in August. In Afghanistan, students start their first day of school in March. Now, let's think. What was this mostly about? I remember this passage talked about students in Afghanistan. I remember they talked about students in the United States. Wait, does that talk about that on every sentence? Let's see. Students in the United States, they sit at desks. Afghanistan sits on rugs. Yep, still about Afghanistan and the United States. That must be what it's mostly about. Students in Afghanistan and students in the United States. So, how can I write a topic sentence? Okay, well, let's use my favorite. I like to tell the reader what they're about to read. So a good topic sentence. I am going to tell you about students in Afghanistan and the United States.